Let me say this clearly. Books are not bad. Handouts are not useless. In fact, many of us learned our fundamentals from paper. The problem is not paper. The problem is when this paper is alone. Now, imagine combining your books with this. Paper is great for reading, but it can't quiz you. It can't explain things differently. It cannot adapt to how you learn. So, today on Zekrova, I'll show you how to keep your books and give them a digital brain. Students read from paper because it helps them focus. But after reading, what happens? No questions, no feedback, no way to test understanding. Lecturers prepare excellent materials, but rewriting questions, rewriting summaries, and even explanations takes time. Paper is good at delivering information. Technology is good at working with information. The solution is not choosing one, it is connecting both. We will make this magic happen in 3 easy steps. I will explain gradually so you understand. Step 1 is simple. It's turning your knowledge into PDF. That is, you convert this book into an ebook. Then you fit the PDF into AI. That is, you upload the PDF into an AI system. And the step 3 is now turning AI into your tutor. Now, this is where you give your AI a role. For this, we are going to be using an app. The app is called CamScanner. So just go to your app store and download the app. You can use the free version. Okay, so with this app, all you just have to do is you can convert the whole of the book, but if you want to copy the whole of the book, or if you just want to copy a few pages on the book, you can convert. You can scan the few pages. All right, so let us assume we want to scan a whole book. So just look into the CamScanner and click on this part, that is the camera part in the center, and then you can see scan. This other ordinary scan, if you are just scanning just a page, it's easier for you to scan just a page. But if you don't want to do that, you can come and scroll to this other end where it says book, and then you can see where you can do this all at once and scan it like a book all at once. I'm going to be using the scan the pages clearly. Make sure they are properly aligned. You make sure they are properly aligned when you scan. And that is how I get all my content from the book scanned. All scanned out. Now the next is for you to give it a title. What is the name? What are you going to name this your PDF ebook? And you save it. And once you save it, there you go. You can check through to be sure you have all your files aligned. As you can see, we have everything in place. The next is for you to download it as a PDF file. So after creating your PDF file on CamScanner, you have several means of sending that file around. First off, you can send it to a WhatsApp. You can also generate a link where you can copy this link and bring it to your PC to open it on your browser, and then you have access to download the PDF file. Or you can also send you can also send this PDF file to your PC. There's an option there that says send to PC. So we are going to follow that part that says send to PC. Once you click send to PC, it's going to ask you to come to your browser and type in this into your browser: d.cscan.co. That's what you have to type into your browser. And once you have this into your browser, you then have something like this. And then you have your QR code that pops up. Then all you have to now do is scan with your PC, your phone, scan the QR code and wait. And then you see your PDF pops up. So the next thing you want to do is to open. Now, the next thing is you want to download this file. Download it on your PC, so you have the copy directly on your PC. Now, steps 2 is where we feed the PDF into AI. Now, here is where the magic happens. You upload the PDF into an AI system. Now, this could be ChatGPT, an AI document reader, or a custom learning AI. But for this process, I will be using Google NotebookLM. So all you have to do now is go and open your Google NotebookLM. Come here, you go scroll down, and then you see it here, Google your NotebookLM. Click on it, and it opens the reader for you. And this is what you have. So once you have this, the next thing you want to do is you create new. Come here and create new. Then you wait for it, and the next thing it asks you is to upload your file. So this is where you now upload that PDF file that you already have. Click on upload and look for the PDF. And we can see right here that it is already uploading onto the system. So you wait for it to upload, and here we have it. Our file has been uploaded. So in this case, if you now have the full system, you now have the full file uploaded on your system. So once uploaded, the AI reads the document, understands the structure, and remembers the content. So at this point, the PDF is no longer a static file. It's not just an ordinary file. Now your PDF is alive. You have given your PDF a life. So you are now, the next thing is for you to now turn the AI into your tutor. Now you give this AI a role, a tutor role, whatever role you want to give it. You do not need to ask random questions. Just give instructions, and you can just ask it to act as a personal tutor. You can ask it to teach the material step by step. If you look at the studio part of the screen, now I can change this. I can make it into a video. You can see it says generate an explainer. I can change it, make it into an explainer presenter. I can make it into a podcast based on the source. So you can do all of this from your files. So for now, we will try and tell it to generate a video explainer. So I clicked to generate a video explainer, and the video explainer is generating. While that is happening, I will also give it a role. Now I want you to quiz me. Send it, quiz me, and send it. So it is going to now analyze the whole data and then start quizzing me. Now, certainly, based on the provided sources regarding the concept of the community, here is a quiz to test your understanding. You can see, you can try to answer them first, and I have provided the answers below. Now, these are the, imagine, question
Community quiz, question 1. You see, it says define these definitions. The source, blah 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 blah, this, and then the next it says A, B, C, D. Pick your answer. You see what is going on here. So this is how it quizzes you, and you can also tell it to generate. This is for lecturers can generate different questions from this source. Just doing it this way, even you as a student can follow through this pattern, and then you can get more understanding by quizzing yourself in different patterns, from different angles, from different perspectives of the AI. It will make it will give you enough understanding of this context. Now you can also tell it that explain step by step, like I am a beginner. You give it that, and it will explain. It will understand analyze the context again and explain to you. So this is what I have for you. You can see, to understand the concept of this as a beginner, it is helpful to look at it as a layered idea, and then it goes from step 1, it goes like that to step 2, and it takes it. And if there's anything you still do not understand, or you still feel you need clarity, just ask the question.
Now we have the explainer generated. So all we do now at this point, we can play to test the explainer. Just click on play, and then it loads.
The United Nations and your local neighborhood all have in common? Well, the answer is just one word: community. But what that word really means? Wow, that's one of the most surprisingly tricky questions out there. Today, we're going to see just how deep that rabbit hole goes.
And AI is only as smart as what you give it. Random internet answers are not enough. So when you upload your own material, the AI becomes focused. Now it speaks your textbook's language. So this is how a book becomes a tutor. Reading builds familiarity, quizzing builds mastery. And as a lecturer, your expertise stays in the book. AI helps you explore it from multiple angles. So it helps both ways. Now, the future of learning is not paper or technology. It's paper working with technology. So read from your books, but don't stop there. At Zekrova, we don't abandon the basics. We upgrade them. If this article has helped you, please subscribe for more and share. Thank you.